When a puncture occurs, stop the vehicle as soon as possible. Get away of the traffic. Apply the handbrake and engage first. Use a warning triangle to alert the other drivers. The spare wheel and tools are stored in the launch compartment. Remove the wheel hubcap, then slacken each wheel bolt by a half turn. Locate the jack below the reinforced points on the seal and on firm ground. Then turn the jack hand clockwise until the wheel is raised clear of the ground. Remove the wheel. Fit the spare wheel and screw in the bolts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and securely tight the wheel bolts in the X form. And this is all. Now you can go in your car.